Hey there! Are you looking to take control of your credit score and financial future? Well, stick around because I've got the ultimate review of Credit Sesame for you. And don't forget to click the link in the description below for an exclusive discount. Alright, let's dive in. First things first, Credit Sesame is like your personal finance BFF. It gives you free access to your credit score and credit report cards. Yes, you heard me right, free. Now you might be wondering, what's the catch? Honestly, there isn't one. Credit Sesame makes its money through ads and recommendations for financial products. So you get all the benefits without paying a dime. Sweet deal, right? But wait, there's more. Credit Sesame doesn't just sit there showing you numbers. It offers personalized tips and recommendations to help you boost your credit score. Think of it as a financial coach in your pocket. Now, who wouldn't want that? And for those of you worried about security, rest easy. Credit Sesame uses bank-level encryption to protect your data, so your information is safe and sound. One of my favorite features has to be the free credit monitoring and alerts. If there's any suspicious activity on your credit report, Credit Sesame will notify you immediately. It's like having a watchdog for your finances. Oh, and did I mention the mobile app? It's super user-friendly and lets you check your credit score anytime, anywhere. So whether you're at the grocery store or lounging on your couch, you've got instant access. Now let's talk about some extras. Credit Sesame offers identity theft insurance up to $1 million. Yep, you heard that right. Plus, they have a premium plan with even more features if you want to take things up a notch. All right, folks, to sum it all up, Credit Sesame is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to manage and improve their credit score. It's free, it's secure, and it's packed with features that make managing your finances a breeze. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to get your special offer and start your journey to a better credit score today. Don't miss out. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Catch you next time.